Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Buongiorno! Ciao a tutti! Sono Felice Angelini. Hi everyone, I am Felice Angelini. Welcome to the Italian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn the basic vocabulary for talking about the weather, in particular when we talk about weather conditions. Okay, let's get started. We have two kinds of words, nouns or adjectives. I'd like to start with nouns. The first is neve, neve, neve. Put attention on the accent E, the first E. Neve is a female noun, and neve means snow. Pay attention to this pronunciation, ve. Ve is like Venezia, Venice, ve. Maybe we can find it in another word. Okay, the next is pioggia, pioggia, pioggia. The accent on O. And pay attention to this double consonant sound. Is a little strong. Già, pioggia. Pioggia is a female noun, like neve, and means rain. Okay, then vento, vento, vento. Vento, the accent is on E, vento. Did you notice? Yeah, the same ve, vento. Vento is a masculine noun, and the meaning is wind. The next, sole, sole, sole. The accent is on O. Sole is a masculine noun. You remember the song Sole? Sole means sun. Then cielo, cielo, cielo. Cielo, the accent is on the E. E, attenzione, attention. Italian E. Cielo. And cielo is a masculine noun. Cielos means sky. And I want your attention because we have two vowels. In this case, don't consider I, Italian I vowels, only E. So put together C and E, like c'è, c'è. And the word is cielo. Then nebbia, nebbia, nebbia. The accent is on E. But pay attention to this double consonant, like pioggia, già. In this case, double B. Bia, nebbia. Nebbia is a female noun, and the meaning is fog. The last one, temporale, temporale, temporale. The accent is on A. Temporale. Temporale is a masculine noun, and the meaning is thunderstorm. Well, we can continue now from adjectives, but did you notice I missed one word? Was this one. Sereno, sereno, sereno. Because this word is an adjective and is used in combination with cielo. Sereno. The accent is in. Ciao. Again, sorry. Maybe you can realize that I write it, but okay. Well, now we can continue with adjective, but did you notice I missed one word? This one. Sereno, sereno, sereno. Because this word is an adjective, and in this case is used in combination with cielo. cielo sereno. And sereno, I have to put the accent on the second E, sereno. Sereno means clear, serene. So, in combination, cielo sereno means clear sky. Okay, and do you remember, cielo is masculine noun. So, in this case, we have to put masculine form in the adjective, sereno, cielo sereno. Okay, let's check another adjectives. Are you ready? The first is nuvoloso, nuvoloso, nuvoloso. The accent is on the second O, nuvoloso. And this is the masculine form. So if you check the feminine form, you can realize that we have a different vowel at the end of the word. The accent is the same on the O, second O, and is nuvolosa, nuvolosa, nuvolosa. So for masculine, nuvoloso. For feminine, nuvolosa. What's the meaning? The meaning is cloudy. Next one, instabile, instabile, instabile. The accent is on A, instabile. In this case, did you notice, for the feminine form, we have the same word with the same pronunciation, instabile. So we can realize that we have in Italian two kinds of adjective, like this, nuvoloso, nuvolosa, or like this, instabile, instabile. One more adjective, this one, soleggiato, soleggiato, or the feminine form, soleggiata, soleggiata, soleggiata. The accent is on A. And this kind of adjective is similar to nuvoloso, nuvolosa. The meaning of soleggiato, soleggiata is sunny. Okay, we finished this section about adjectives, but I have another point very important when we talk about these words. You can realize that in an adjective sometimes we have a noun. For example, in this word, soleggiato, sole, we have this word, sole. And it's very good for understand the context and the meaning of the word. And in another case, for example, nuvoloso, there is one word, one noun. This is the masculine, but I prefer the feminine. Nuvola, nuvola, that means cloud, cloud. So cloud, nuvolo, nuvola, nuvoloso. Is very similar to soleggiato. And then sometimes an adjective that is very close to English, for example, instabile, unstable. Well, we have nouns, we have adjectives, so we are ready to talk about weather condition. So imagine this situation. I talk about weather situation with Nana, my digital assistant, and I say in Italian, Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? E Nana reply, neve di mattina, pioggia di pomeriggio. Okay, let's check one more time this dialogue. The question, my question. Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? One more time. Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? That's mean, Nana, how's the weather today? Now, let's check the question. First in Italian. Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? Nana is the name of my digital assistant. So, Nana, Nana. Then the question. Com'è? 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 The accent is on the E. E is the verb. And com is come, is the question, the word for the question. In English is house, com'è. Then il tempo, 2 words, il tempo, that means the weather. At the end of the phrase, oggi, that means today. Pay attention to the accent. Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? Nana, com'è il tempo oggi? That means, Nana, how's the weather today? Okay, this is clear. Then the answer. Neve di mattina, pioggia di pomeriggio. The first word, neve, snow. Di mattina, 2 words. That means in the morning, in the morning. In English, 3 words, in Italian, 2 words. The accent is here. Neve di mattina. Then, pioggia di pomeriggio. You remember, pioggia is rain. Di pomeriggio, in Italian 2 words, means in the afternoon. In English, 3 words. The accent is pioggia o di pomeriggio, pomeriggio on the first E. One more again. Neve di mattina, pioggia di pomeriggio. Snow in the morning, rain in the afternoon. So this is the dialogue. In this case, we use 2 words, neve and pioggia. So I want to try another example, maybe change this weather condition. For example, pioggia and cielo sereno. Pioggia di mattina, cielo sereno di pomeriggio. Rain in the morning, clear sky in the afternoon. Or make another example, but this time not using only nouns. I want to use adjectives. For example, cielo sereno and instabile. So, in this case, the example is cielo sereno di mattina, instabile di pomeriggio. Clear sky in the morning, unstable in the afternoon. Did you notice in these 2 examples we have the same patterns? First, we talk about weather conditions, so first weather condition. For example, a noun or an adjective. And then, when, di mattina or di pomeriggio. So we can put together and say, in this case, I replied, like Nana. Well, did you notice in this example we have the same pattern? Noun, noun, and adjective. Noun, adjective, and adjective. So if you put the noun on the adjective for talking about weather condition, then we can end with di mattina and di pomeriggio. We can use this pattern, it's very, very useful in this situation. So you can use this pattern with this noun and this adjective. So I have 2 tips for you. The first one is, well, we need to remember the pronunciation and the meaning of this word, this noun and this adjective. So repeat many times. Maybe it's the best practice to remember. And the second one is pay attention to the words order. For example, when I said cielo sereno, we have this order in this situation when we talk about weather condition. First, the noun, cielo, and then the adjective. So not the opposite order, in this way, noun and adjectives. This is the best way to sounds Italian word like canzone and maschile, maschile, masculine and masculine in the same way. Do you remember how to say morning? Mattina, mattina. And how to say snow? Neve. Neve. Do you remember how to say snow in the morning? Neve di mattina. Neve di mattina. Do you remember how to say afternoon? Pomeriggio. Pomeriggio. And how to say rain? Pioggia. Pioggia. Do you remember how to say rain in the afternoon? Pioggia di pomeriggio. Pioggia di pomeriggio. Do you remember how to say wind? Vento. Vento. And how to say sun? Sole. Sole. Do you remember how to say clear sky? Cielo sereno. Cielo sereno. And do you remember how to say fog? Nebbia. Nebbia. Do you remember how to say thunderstorm? Temporale. Temporale. And how to say cloudy? Nuvoloso. Nuvoloso. Do you remember how to say unstable? Instabile. Instabile. And how to say sunny? Soleggiato. Soleggiato. So, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Felice and I'll see you on italianpod101.com. Arrivederci. See you.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.